get questions about tax credits all the time, and it's a rapidly changing environment. Obviously, we're not tax advice, so talk to your accountant, all that type of stuff. But as we talk about what we understand of the tax credits out there, so first of all, there is a program called Energy Star. And the latest version that came out a couple of years ago is Energy Star 7. Well, to meet that stipulation, a window and door has to be built in a certain manner. But the ones that get the tax credits are only the most efficient. So you take Energy Star and you have to go like the top tier of those, then there's some tax credits that are available. It's my understanding that those tax credits largely expired in 2025. The challenge with tax credits is you're kind of chasing whatever administration thinks it's important or whatever regulator thinks it's important. So it's really hard to chase the tax credits these days. The ones that are going to qualify for the tax credit in 2025 are the Energy Star most efficient. And typically those are going to have to be triple paned or have some high intensity coating on them. But you definitely want to ask us about that. If you're trying to achieve that, we can help you try to achieve that and evaluate, is the cost worth the tax credit? Well, so in 2025, you could get $600 tax credit on the window unit itself. And so oftentimes the increase in price to go from your basic Energy Star window to your most efficient really eats up your tax credit. And it might be $300 extra a window. So you get a tax credit for 2 windows. So if you're doing a small project, we might be able to advise you on how to save some on that. If you're doing a large scale project, sometimes we've had customers phase that over like a couple of years, but it's really hard to get the money back that you're investing into it. In the current program that's wrapping up in 2025, is they're looking for the qualified manufacturer ID. There's a specific number that the manufacturer has registered with the regulator that provides that they've built windows that meet Energy Star most efficient, and they're eligible for the tax credit. So if you're looking to get the tax credit and you think you might be eligible, you want to look for the qualified manufacturer ID. And you can ask, your window or dealer for it. You can search out on the internet around tax time. Everybody's doing that, so you should be able to find that stuff readily available for you.